So as you can see here, there are two mounting screws, and then this one. So I will just try to take it out maybe. So this is one. I'll just put it here. We might, and there's another one here. I think I have some more mounting screws somewhere else. Let's see.
Yes, put it.
Okay, this is not long enough. This is the front, this is the face plate. And I think that is also attached to here. So I will, the two knobs there. And for that, I think I have to remove. So there's two screws here. I removed. And that's there. And now these two screws on the bottom. This is one. And this is two. Let me try to remove it. That's it. Okay. It came out. I don't know if this was necessary, but I was thinking if anything else I need to do to, yeah, I can see it, that this is the legs which we use to balance it, and it is already cemented actually.
Oh, then how can I remove this one?
Yeah, we'll remove it, don't worry.
You shouldn't be here, Mommy. Search H blocks.
Okay, so let's see. And this is the water line. Here is the water line coming in. This is the power line. Okay, let's see. Something like that we have to do to take it out. Okay, before that, let me turn off the water and power connection to here. Here is the power connection here. No, this is for this one. Where is the power connection for the wash? Oh, I think the power connection is behind that one. So this is just for the trash disposal. But the water connection is here. So let me just turn off the water. So I will just turn off the water so that the water doesn't go there. And hopefully, let's see. So as you can see, it's almost moved. It's just that the legs are cemented. So I will just see. Yeah, it's coming off a little bit. So I have to do something.
You can drill it.
Yeah. So if you lift it up, let me see. Let me see if the legs can come off. Yeah, this will, we have to adjust this one, right? So if we adjust this one, I think we should be able to, we should be able to move this one. Okay. Okay, we have to just lift it a little bit and then screw it. Okay, maybe the other way. Okay, so we're trying to create the how to take this out. Yeah, actually the tile is done after this. That's why it's onto the tile. It will be difficult. Okay, but let's see. How can we do this? Yeah. The tiles are blocking, that's the problem. But we can just remove this. That's the problem, tiles are blocking. This side maybe we are able to pull, but the other side.
It's really difficult to remove this one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because the tiles is done after installing the dishwasher. That's why it's creating problem.
Now it is little up.
Oh.
Okay. Yes. You can see here this labeling screw. I have to just adjust so that it can come through the tile. The tile is creating additional height here, and this is getting stuck here. So as you can see, it's almost there. I think yes.
No, now
It's similarly we have to do that side.
but it's like stuck.
It's stuck in the. How can we do that?
Oh, you can do it.
I think the
with
same thing they had probably issue. That's why they put this.
cement.
Mm-hmm.
Where is this? Oh, you can drill it. I think.
No, there is a screw here. Access to. Okay, let me bring a. Okay, let me bring a screwdriver. Okay. I think there, if I just make it loose, maybe this will just come off. We don't have to worry about that. It's a riveted joint. Okay, this is a riveted joint, so I cannot do anything. I have to. Let me see if it is coming off. Yeah, we have to just somehow.
Oh.
That's fine. We know we can lift that one, only that side, right? Let me see if I just do like this. Okay. Let me pull it. Maybe it will just come. I have a big hammer. screwdriver, but that's okay. Yeah, we can put cement later if needed. Okay. Now that we have to do something to completely turn the top. Okay. It's not turning, I think. Let me see. If it's turning, I'll just turn it to go up, right? It's not turning. Okay, no. This side is coming out, but that side is not. Let me see. Okay, I can just turn it if I can. Now this is actually stuck with the cement, but if it turns, maybe.
Oh, a little bit. A little bit.
Okay. Actually, it is threaded, right? That's why it's not working.
Oh, now it's done.
Let me see. Now I don't want to lose the opportunity. It's so tight. Oh my goodness. Extremely tight. Oh yeah, that's the problem. This is so tight that it's not coming out.
Oh.
Pretty.
So, how do we do? I think it stuck inside.
What is that?
I think it's stuck in.
On the top. It's stuck on the, because one side is so high, right? So let me see. Maybe I can turn it a little bit. But I don't know which side. It's so jammed. Is it going up or down? I have no clue. That is stuck. That's not gonna come. Okay, now this is the tail. Okay, it's working. Can you show it here? So I just use this one to lift it and manually hold it right now.
Oh.
So now it lost some weight, some height, Maybe it will be able to.
No, still I think it's stuck.
Yeah, it's stuck because. Okay.
Still it's stuck.
Maybe it needs to lose little more height. So let's see. Oh, it's blocking. Okay. Okay. Now that will help. Now I see a lot of gap here, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
now that should help. Let's see. Okay, now this is okay. Let's see if anywhere else it has any getting stuck. I don't know why. Maybe there is a connection here. Hold on. I think there is a connection here. I don't think so. Okay, I don't know why it's blocking because. Okay, so to do that,
Yes, there is another screw.
we have to lift it a little bit and then twist it, right? So by hand, how to do that? Let's see. Maybe let me get a wrench. It's just too bad. It's not fitting it. It's not fitting it. I want to use my hand, but then I'm scared. Okay, it's there. So I just use my hand to. Okay, now it is up. So now this side, right? Oh, see, can you show this one?
Now
This is
it's off.
up, okay. And now this side. Okay, these two are up now. Can you see?
Yes.
Okay, now let's put it.
Oh no. It's coming back. It was still something stuck, right?
Yeah, it will come out. Now it will come out. Okay, now this is not connected. What is connected? Let me see. Only on the top it is connected. Now it should come up. Why? This is not coming out. Okay.
Oh wow, it's coming.
No, because it followed back in the thread. You see? It's followed back in the thread. Again.
So tough. Ah.
It's just so tight.
Oh wow.
Actually, this clip was blocking because there is a groove here, and once a spring action, right? Once you get inside, you have to press it. If you press it, then it will come out.
Yeah.
So the idea was that just press it, it will come out. It was not pressed, that's why it was blocking.
So how did you press it?
Just using a screw, just put it here and then press it.
Oh, okay.
When you press it, it just comes out easily.
This thing. So, but I think I would suggest to hire someone because it's not that easy. Do you
But-
think it's easy? It's too difficult, right?
Oh, look. These connections I have to connect. So this is the water line.
Which one
This
is
is
the
the
water?
no. This is the input water. This is the exhaust line. The exhaust line is getting too tight, so we have to push it a little back. Otherwise, and this is the power connection, which is gone. Now this is the input water line. We have to remove it here, and then maybe we can use it, or we'll just add a new water line. So to do that,
We
let's
can use the water line. Why you need to add another one? Yeah.
because we already bought a stainless steel water line.
Oh, okay.
So, but let's see. I think I stopped the water, but let's see. The this is the compression fit, so it's just automatic. There might be a little water there. Now the next thing is to take it out. Actually, this is causing so much trouble. I can just take it out so that I can just now work properly. This is the existing water line. So, do you have a container? Can you give me? There might be water actually. This one can. Okay, so that is the existing water line, which is now removed. The power connection is removed. The only third thing is this one, the exhaust from here. That's pretty simple. I will remove it quickly. Let me connect it here.
This is for the like regular water, like
This is the
regular
hot water. It's connected
hot
to
water.
hot water.
Okay, and this is the grease water. This one.
So I have to just go that side, then disconnect this one. Hold on. Maybe you cannot shoot this, but
Okay. So this one is that
This one, this
that one is the grease water line.
yes, yes. So I can. Is the grease water connection line? Exhaust water. Okay, that's it.
Now we completely removed the grease water, and this one is the hot water pipe, and that one is the grease water pipe. Yes. This is the back side of the dishwasher.
So we may, I don't know, I have to check if Samsung has the same fittings, then we can just reuse them.
Yeah.
We already bought the
Bought.
fittings, but when we sell this one, they might need these fittings.
Yeah, I think we can use the new one.
Yeah.
Because we already bought. Install it at home and remove the dishwasher, or would you suggest to hire someone?
No, it's not for me. It's for anybody watching.
Yes. So anybody
Yeah.
is watching. So how difficult it is?
For me, it's okay. It's not too bad. You saw what all involved, right?
But for me, it's too difficult.
I'm not asking about you. Yeah, if it's about you, then maybe you recommend don't do this by yourself, right? But
Yeah,
for me, it's okay.
It's for you, it's okay. But for me, I would highly suggest to hire someone. But for me, it's like too difficult. It's too difficult for me. I cannot. I can't even imagine to do it.
So the drain line seems to be good because it's already connected. The issue with the drain line is that now if I have to use the new drain line, I have to reconnect, reroute everything from here.
Oh, then we can use this one.
The only thing is that maybe the pipeline I can use. Pipeline is connected, and it's another problem for us is there is a middle drawer here.
Oh.
Typically people don't have a drawer here.
Drawer
It's
here.
connected.
And also, there's like a angular.
Now let's remove the drawer. Okay, once we remove the drawer, give me that one, I'll show. So as you can see, these are channeled here through this one, right? So I don't want to re-channel the drain line and everything, but maybe I can just reconnect the stainless steel water line, which is the white one. Connect the power line actually.
Oh, we can just connect the power line only. We don't have to do all this stuff. It's too much.
Since it's open right now, maybe we should just clean it a little bit.
Yeah, we can clean it because it's almost 10 years.
Yeah, it's 10 years. But for 10 years, it's not that bad.
Yeah.
No cockroaches, no mice
Yeah.
droppings, nothing. It's very clean actually for 10
Yeah,
years.
for 10 years it's okay.
Okay, let's just move it out of the way so
But
that
I think the dishwasher is working also fine because it's almost 10-year-old dishwasher.